Trump was handed a good hot cannabis leave my cough is not from coronavirus shirt thinks. And he himself claims he's responsible for it. Then he's gonna fuck up the economy, so when Dems are handed office the recession will start and everyone will think it's the Dems' fault for causing it. That will fix it. Still get blamed for the bad economy. They will then elect Republican the election after and will get handed a good economy. Then they will fuck it up some more. History has a tendency to repeat itself. The rich, with their diversified portfolios, will also be poised to buy cheap stocks. Hot cannabis leave my cough is not from coronavirus shirt, tank top, V-neck, sweatshirt and hoodie. I hate that this has been happening consistently for literal decades. Could you imagine what our country would look like if we didn't have a Republican administration? Consistently tanking the economy. Hot cannabis leave my cough is not from coronavirus shirt every 8 years just to blame the next Democrat in office? Republicans kill the economy, rely on people's inability to understand that things don't stop on a dime, and blame their own failures on the Democrats. Then they manage to squeak out a win and take over the Democrats' rising economy and turn that into a series of handouts. No, but he sure is getting around to manufacture one other product.